Come on, mag-footwork ka. Just listen to my dictation. Straight na, straight. Oh, okay ka ganun. Straight lang, straight mo tayo. Now, sige, tingnan ko sa straight. Oh, di ba? Now, this time, you bring it back with snap. Boom. Boom. Alright? Okay. Okay mo muna. Parang jab. Parang jab sa pants, ha? Jab lang muna yung jab. Right. Jab. Jab, diba? Ang jab lang, boom. At using your hip. Jab. Jab. Cross. This time, yung cross mo, okay, use again your hip. Boom. Cross. Jab. Cross. Same thing, cross.
Ito gagawin mo na?
Yes. Gagawin mo na siya. Press mo siya. 1, 2. Naman. Jab. Cross. Jab. Cross. Tingnan mo yung, yung kamay ko. Kamay ko. Jab. Cross. Jab. Cross. Jab. Cross. Next position. Jab. Cross. Yung jab mo gamit ng hips mo, may power na yun. Then cross. Sige. Cross. So, nag-cross ka, 2. Ito, ito sa akin. Kasi tingin mo, realize. And the opponent. 1. Cross. 2. That's it. 1. Cross. That's it. Here. Number 1. 2. Boom. You cross mo, shoulder mo. 2. Now this time, you pivot your hips. Bring down a little your weight there. Then cross ka. Jab, cross. No? Pivoting of your hips. Boom. And then cross parry yung kamay mo doon. Right, that's it. Okay. Jab. Jab. Cross. Titingnan mo yung target mo. Cross. Boom. Cross. Jab. Cross. Jab. Cross. Yes. Jab. Cross. Jab. Shoulders. Kamay mo naka-cross. Parry. Right. Go. Jab. Cross. Yes. Jab. Cross. Very good. Jab. Cross. Okay, kapain pa. 1, 2, 1. Very good. Nice. Nice. 1. In the force mo, ha? Yan. Balance mo. Balance. Yan. Jab. Cross. Jab. Yung jab mo may power na yan because of your hip. Yan. See that? Jab, cross. Ang power momentum mo nasa cross eh. Dito sa atin, dito may power na yung momentum ng jab mo. Alright? Besides your left. One more time. 1, 2. 1, 2. Use your hip. 1, 2. 1, 2. That's it. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Alright. Time. Ready. Balik ka kita kamay. 1. Position. 1, 2. Buka. Buka. 2. Nice one. Very good. 1. Very good. 2. Jab. Your hips, huh? Jab. That's it. Jab, cross. Oh, yung kamay mo, cross parang muna sa akin outside. Jab. Jab. Cross. Yan. Jab. Cross. Kamay. Pasok mo muna sa cross yung ano mo. Cross parang muna. Sa next cross ka. Yan. Boom. Okay ka pa. Yan. Set. Hip. Boom. Okay. Now, power, go.